Hi traders, in today's video I am on a little uninhabited island. In the South China Sea, and the situation is we were kayaking. It's a beautiful area, but the waves got huge and now we got stranded on this little island, and now we are still figuring out what we are going to do. But first I want to talk about why single entry trading method is so good and why it is so much better than multi-entry when you are trading with an algorithm. Let's start. So first of all, the single entry trading method is reducing risk by a huge margin, and the situation is, if you are trading with a multi-entry trading method, you can't really see the quality of your trades and the overall statistics, because most traders just enter the markets with one trade first, but then they add many pairs over and over again, and at the end they are moving their stop losses, and then they blow their accounts because they opened so many trades. Now you can see it is a beautiful island here in the Philippines, but we don't know if we can go back to civilization ever again. We really don't know. So the risk reducing factor of single entry trading method is a key factor when you are creating an algorithm to be and to stay profitable in long term. And the second reason is to use the single entry trading method is basically emotions and psychology, because if you are trading with a multi-entry method, your psychology will be messed up, because you are going to open trades over and over again, and even if you have a strategy, you won't be able to maintain your psychology, your well-being. You are going to wake up in the middle of the night and take a look at your trades, and just you won't be able to know if trades are your enemy or trades are your friends. And as you can see, if you want to maintain your psychological well-being, when you decide to buy a trading algorithm, always look for the single entry trading methods, because the third reason is actually that when you are trading with a single entry EA, it means you can have much better diversification. You can actually have a real diversification, because you can use multiple pair trading, not just one. And for example, my Viking EA is trading 17 pairs at the same time and still can maintain very low drawdown because of the complex entry strategy and the single entry trading method. And compared to other EAs that are open trades randomly over and over again, open like hundreds or thousands of trades, it is not safe even with one pair, compared to single entry EAs with complex strategies that are safe even with 17 pair trading. Think about it. And I wish you a great day. Let's see how this adventure will turn out. Ciao.